Good afternoon, children. So last class we have completed up to problem number 1, and today's class we are going to start with the problem number 5. The remaining 3 problems your homework. Jyoti bought 5.5 meter of string to tie a parcel. So she is buying one string to tie a parcel. The total length of the string is 5.5 meter. How much string was left if she used 3.25 meter? So out of 5.5 meters she has used 3.25 meter. How much is left is your question. Now total length of the string is 5.5 meter and the length of the string used is 3.25. In the second number you have a decimal part 2 digit. In the first number you have only decimal part 1 digit. So at the 100th place you are putting 0. Now 5.50 minus 3.25. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So you are borrowing from 5. So 5 will become 4. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the length of the string left is 2.25 meter. Next, we are going to learn about rounding of decimals. Already we have learned how to round a number. Suppose 16 is there. Round off to the nearest ones means if you round it, it will be 20. Now we are going to learn for decimal. So first, when you have a decimal part, round off each of the following to the nearest whole number. So if you look at the first problem, 13.81 in your example problem, the digit after decimal is 81. So first you have to look at the number in the 10th place. 10th place you have 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the whole number 13. If you add 1, it will be 14. In the same way, you are going to solve the first problem in the exercise 6.11. Round off each decimal number to the nearest to 1. So nearest to 1 we are going to round off 6.3. Decimal, after decimal the number you have is 3. 3 is less than 5. So the round off decimal number will be 6 as it is. See, next question, third question is 13.5. After decimal you have 5. 5 is equal. So you will be adding 1 to the whole part. 13 plus 1 is 14. So the round off decimal number will be 14. And next is round off each decimal number to the nearest 10th. So first we learnt about nearest ones. Now we are going to learn about nearest 10th. So here what we will do, if you see this question 1.51, the digit in the 100th place is 1. 1 is less than 5. So keep the digit in the 10th place as it is. Replace the remaining digits by 0. So we are keeping the digit in the 10th places as it is and the remaining digits will be 0. So you have to check the number in the 100th place because we are going to round the number in the 10th place. 10th place. So you have to check the number and you are going to round it off. Your first question is 17.12. The number in the 100th place, 10th 100th place is 2, which is less than 5. So what you will do? You will be replacing the digits by 0. So you will not write 2 here. You will replace it by 0. So after decimal point, if you include 0, it has no value. So your answer is 17.1. Next is 2.81. 1 is lesser than 5. So you will replace it by 0 and your answer is 2.8. So easy problem. The first problem I have done 2 subdivisions. Second problem also I have done 2 subdivisions. Remaining is your homework. Thank you, students.